Wala pa gana eh.
Hi guys, so for
today, that's the end of our vlog. We enjoy. Thank you. Bye.
hi guys, hi mga kabiyahe.
Yes. Kabiyahe pro.
Guys,
Dalawa na lang kami yung naiwan.
iniwan na po kami. Iniwan na po ni... Huh? So they left us?
Yes, at hindi pa rin namin kasama si Ningning.
Well, I'm here na! Nakasama na din ako sa wakas.
Finally.
After ilan nilang travel,
Yes.
nawala ako.
Yes, it's been a while, guys. At 2 months ata.
Oo.
And we have our new and official intro.
So, tara na mga kabiyahe
Let's
and
go!
maglalakad pa tayo.
Mag-hike pa kami. Travel namin, estimated
Ilang kilometers ba yun?
15 to 20 from the highway pa lang yan, guys.
Oo. Then we have to walk at around 20 minutes daw to arrive at our destination. Ano na mga travel vlogs naman puro hiking.
Yeah.
Pats ko kaluluigin. So, eto daw muna yung mga travel
Hi,
vlogs natin
pause.
para mag-lose weight kami. Wow, lose
Prepare.
weight. 3 years. Kunin pa lagi pakapudlagyan ang fats ko.
Ay, hindi ka prepared? Ay, hindi ba alam? Hindi ba alam? And mag-log in.
Sip-sip lang nakaroon, sip-sip.
Hi guys! So welcome to our kapoy-kapoy destination. Yawan ko yung drive yo.
Ako mag-drive pa.
Ikaw
Mag-highway lang ha?
may change player
Mag-highway ah.
Ikaw?
We have to lang ta pala.
driver.
Sinin nyo bala before 10. Alas 10 na. So, napuli na ta.
Ulit na.
Guys,
Ma'am, alas 3 na puli.
guys, alas 10 ang puli ta. So, alas 10 na. Let's go. Puli na ta.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Ayun na guys, uuwi na kami.
Wala na.
Short hike lang gidyo guys. Ari na dayon. Like ano lang. 5 minutes lang no? 5 minutes hike or 10? lang. What can you say?
Small but nice.
Small but terrible.
Yeah.
Ah, clear water. Hi.
Hi, hello.
One hour later.
Cut and come.
Ano na video? Hi, vlog! Koy, ligo na, Koy!
It was at this moment that he knew. Fucked up.
Nadloka na si Nining.
So guys, today we're hiking. We are hiking. Only just the two of us because we're about to go home. Most probably isn't. And our companions are up above the sea. Sea level. I'm so tired.
Mitsu mo pa lang din pala.
I mean, like, I took good care of my fats for about 23 years.
Oh, it's...
For about a minute. Okay, whatever.
Hirap guys.
Whatever.
Naka-change na sila. Kami. Ngayon pa lang.
Yeah. We're doomed. You know.
Oh, wow. They're already ready to go. They all, ano?
Already ready to go.
Ano daw? Oh, done na sila. Kami change pa lang. Ako na muna. Dungan ta. Guys, watch us.
Watch us.
I'll close the door.
Hindi na tayo open the door.
I close na.
Hi mga kabiyahe. So today, yeah. Dalawa na lang kami. Kaming nagha-hike pababa. Kasi naiwan kami. Yeah, so they left us. And the worst part is
We're going slow.
we're going slow. Slower. Slowing. Okay, so let's do tomato English.
Yes.
So we're slowing down.
We're slowing down over there down the road.
Yes.
We need to go fasting.
Yeah, we need to go fasting until we reach our destination safely. Yeah, because they left us. So right now we're about to go home, and what we're experiencing right now is a very tough road. Like, if you're not able to manage properly, or if you're not able to balance my toes, my knees, my shoulders. I'm so shy. Okay, guys. Can you see what I see? Can you see what I see? Can you see her, or can you even see the view? You can only see one person. Only she. Because
Again, nilabas.
yeah. So that's the reason why you can only see one person in this vlog right now.
We need to walk fasting.
Yeah, and we need to walk fasting. What kind of fasting can you demonstrate? Okay, so it's still far. A little bit far.
A few moments later.
Ah, I can see.
Okay, so we can see them. And they are waiting for us. Yeah, but they are about to leave. So we have to go fasting. More fasting. Fasting. Okay, guys, so see you later. Bye.
Tripan mo naman si Dia. Na, tukol ba na, G? Very good. Arito? Arito. Ano ba dito?
So
That's all for today. Bye. Hope you enjoy.